So finally, Apple has dished out the power adapter from their iPhone 12 boxes. So it's a time for us to have a look at the external chargers. This is one of the best and the pretty compact charger that can charge your iPhone up to 53% in less than 30 minutes, which sounds pretty crazy. And first of all, this charger is of Anker and they called it as Anker Nano because of its compact size. As you can see, in my palm, it is really compact, and this is a 20-watt charger, guys. So quickly having a look at the content inside the box, we actually get the paperwork. We get two different chargers. The one is the 60-watt bigger adapter, and another is this 20-watt smaller Anker Nano charger. This charger is really very compact, guys, as well as this charger itself can charge your iPhone 12 up to 53% in less than 30 minutes, which is really kind of a crazy thing. Apart from this, we get two cables inside this thing. The one is the USB Type-C to a lightning cable, as iPhone 12 series still is having that lightning cable, as well as the another is the USB-C to a USB-C cable. You can use that cable for your other devices to get charged. One thing to note is that these cables are really long, up to 2 meters, pretty convenient in using even freely with our iPhone devices. We also get an American to a UK power adapter converter. That's a nice thing that Anker is actually providing. And now talking about the technical specs of these two adapters, the bigger adapter is actually of 60 watts and we get two different USB-C outputs with an LED indicator on it. It's a bit heavy, but you can easily use it for charging your MacBook, your iPads, or any other Apple devices. Pretty sufficient for charging two different devices together. You can input both of them simultaneously and you can charge both of them together. And you can pretty easily replace the American to UK plug on this bigger 60-watt adapter, which is pretty convenient even in case if you're traveling or if you're ordering it from these different countries. Now, whereas the 20-watt Anker Nano is actually providing a single USB-C output, and in spite of being this compact, so small in terms of the size, this charger is pretty efficient and can charge your iPhone pretty quickly. Talking about the size, here is a quick comparison between the Anker Nano and the official Apple charger which we actually get inside the box. The Anker Nano supports the USB-C, whereas there is just the USB-A on the Apple adapter which we used to get. Apart from this, the Anker Nano cable is also 2 meter long, whereas the Apple cable is just 1 meter. So now without any further ado, let's directly jumping on to the comparison between the 20-watt Anker Nano charger on the left hand side and the 5-watt Apple charger on the right hand side. Here I just ran both of the tests simultaneously and the iPhone battery was already drained to the zero. After checking out the test results for 10 minutes, we saw that Anker Nano actually charged the iPhone up to 17% in just 10 minutes, whereas the Apple charger was just at the 6%. We just ran the test for another 30 minutes to test that thing that Anker was actually saying that this charger is capable of charging up to 53% in just 30 minutes. So after 20 minutes, we found that the Anker Nano was at 36%, which is pretty fast, whereas the Apple original charger was at just 12%. Now, the one amazing thing that happened at 28 minutes itself, that the Anker Nano actually completed the 50% charging mark, whereas the Apple charger was still charging. And having a look at both of them at 30 minutes, Anker Nano was at 52%, whereas the Apple charger was at just 18%. So Anker Nano charger charged the iPhone to 52% in just 30 minutes. We just kept the test running on to see that how long it take the Apple inbox charger to actually reach that 50% mark. And finally, after testing it out, the Apple charger took over 1 hour 32 minutes to reach that 50% mark, which is almost 3 times as compared to that of the Anker Nano charger. So this were the results of the Anker Nano charger versus the 5-watt Apple charger which we used to get inside the box. And basically, guys, if you're still having that Apple charger, that 5-watt charger brick, definitely consider upgrading to this Anker Nano charger, because as you saw, this is pretty efficient in terms of charging the device up to 52%, which we actually saw in less than 30 minutes, as well as considering its size, pretty compact of this charger, a long 2-meter USB-C to the Lightning, as well as the USB-C to the USB-C. And I hope you might found this as helpful if you're looking for purchasing or getting a fast charger for your latest iPhone 12. Definitely worth checking it out, guys. The links are available in the description down below. With this is Milind from Enoylity Technology. I will catch you guys in the next one. For now, signing off. Peace out.